everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to make this powerful oil for hair growth and hair moisturize. Before we will start the video, let me show you all where I got this my avocado leaf. As you can see, I will just take some of them. Here I already raised the leaves. Then this is my ginger. I have shea butter and olive oil. So guys, as you can see, I'm just showing you how the leaf is not too many. Then I will just remove it here. I will remove this shea butter for cutting board. Then I will take my knife to slice the avocado leaf. So here I also have my ginger. I will cut the ginger into pieces before I will blend it with the leaf. Here I have my olive oil. I will pour it together to blend. Here I don't want to blend it with shea butter. I will just use olive oil. I will use the shea butter later. So beauty, I remember when I got this avocado, but I just make use of the seed. I plant this seed about 5 years ago. As you can see, I can make use of the leaf to make this natural oil moisturized beauty product. This is very natural, guys. Here I have my pot here. I will pour everything inside before stirring. Then I will also lower my gas. So look at my shea butter. I will also add the shea butter. Just stir for about few minutes. Then I will off the gas. Leave the oil to cool down. Let me greet my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate all your support. As you can see, the oil is almost ready. I can feel the aromas that is coming out in my kitchen. Here I will just leave it to cool down. I have my filter here. I will take the oil, pour inside this filter to separate the avocado leaf for the oil. So you dey see how this oil take come out. You dey see am. E don say when I don buy oil, so I always make my oil. Here I have this small bowl here. I will place my hair net inside this small bowl, pour the oil again to remove those lumps. Let me talk about the benefits of this oil. It helps dandruff, reduce hair loss, and it will also make your scalp look healthy, moisturize hair very well. So the oil can fix any hair type. It will add extra shine to your hair, also make your hair look soft. I will take my tablespoon to show how this oil came out well. Here I have this small container here. I will pour the oil inside to keep this oil inside fridge so that it will come out like solid cream. I will keep this for ordinary fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is the result. This oil cream come out so well. I hope you love this video. So I just use small one to just moisturize my hand. We are come to the end of this video. I hope you love this video. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. I love you. Goodbye. Ciao ciao.